Just, if you were not born rich, you already had this dream of having 1 million in dollars, euro, or other high-value coin, especially if you live in the poorer 80% side of the planet. The million-dollar paradox talk. We can swear we will not change if we get rich, still the reality is in the future, not in the present. Stop lying yourself now. This is the most sincere talk about the $1 million paradox. Why this talk? Why this title? Why 1 million and not 10 millions? Because everyone has fantasies, dreams, wishes with money. Oh, if I had money, I could solve your problem, because we are friends, no? How stupid can you be, thinking this way? Free money kills the motivation to work, to grow, to create, to love, to be. I have money, I can pay someone to do this for me. Some people want to secure food for the next day, others want to quit their job, laughing in the face of their employer, and the vast majority, like me and you, everyone wants a bigger house or to invest in real estate, a unique car, to pay their debts and to own shares at different companies or crypto, and a few will repair their health and give some money to charity. I know, truth hurts. Welcome to Enrich Talks. We smile saying the truth, and we cry, because truth is cruel. The chances of touching and having $1 million are near to zero, if you live in a poor country and if you are lazy. You already know this. The fact is that 1 million in those life circumstances means that you are a very wealthy person. The only question is, what would you do if tomorrow you wake up with 1 million in your bank account? And the rule to invest in something else, except overpriced real estate, and overvalued company shares. Yes, I can read your mind. I have the same problem. Maybe you have also read books about money. You are good at managing your monthly income. You keep your vices and passion under self-control. But what can we do with money? We want to be rich, with no stress and responsibilities. We both know that if we keep them, inflation will eat them. If we spend them, they move in other people's pockets. If we give them for free, why work hard to make them? If you invest them, is the risk of lose some, and you have to be smart and to have a good hand in choosing the people around you, because money are the most tempting thing to be stolen worldwide. Look at the lottery winners, or the investors who could not control their emotions and miss the moment of selling at high price, or the silly people who are convinced with words and they give you their money. We make plans. If I will have $1 million, I will do this and that, and I will buy and invest, and drive and be, and all this stupid thoughts that feed our imagination. These thoughts have nothing in common with reality. If you are not used to count money with your fingers, or not used to have them, and not buy everything you desire now, when you will see the money you will panic, you will take stupid decisions, you will brag and your ego will explode. Maybe you will be so humble like a form of paralyzed human, but for this you need faith experience or to be an intellectual or very wise. You will need to pay taxes, you will lose money, unexpected things will happen, trust me. The owner of the company I work for is a multi-millionaire and I see every day his effort to preserve his wealth, and he grew without a father and working since age of 13. He has the school of life and a degree in management, and his kids go to a normal school, between middle-class kids, but they are conscious that they are rich and different from others. And the fact is, his wealth is growing every year, and it is harder to manage it alone, and in example, you will need highly paid, trustworthy people around you, from accountant to a handyman and other people to delegate work. I have an episode regarding this topic, link in description of this video. The point is, big money change everything in someone's life, even if now, being poor or part of the middle class, we can swear we will not change if we get rich. The reality is in the future, not in the present. Stop lying yourself today. Oh, if I had money, I could solve your problem, pay your debt, give you a car, because we are friends, no? And many people fall in this trap of helping friends, relatives, or make life easier for their children, and when they will grow, they will suffer being arrogant with their spoiled children. You will have to reduce fake and toxic friendships. You will have to say no. Just because I am not obligated to give you. The possibility of becoming rich. If you want to be rich and work and focus your efforts in this direction, may lead to success. What you will do with this amount of money. That money, when since the first day, they have started to evaporate in the economic system, even without your will? Money are circulating, from a poor pocket to a bank account, and to the owners of profit, those who create the money system, the jobs, and keep the money-making machine working in every social conditions. You will have to learn before becoming rich. Don't do the mistakes all the people do when they get sudden rich. Paradox means contradictory. You want $1 million, but you are not able to have $1,000 invested with profit. You want the big house, expensive car, and beautiful woman, still you don't know how to maintain them, how to make money with money, because money either reproduce, either they vanish through irrational stupid spendings. You need to have $1 million resume, link in description of this video, and try not to kill yourself, if you will get rich, someday. The idea is to come down on earth, with your feet on the grass of reality. You don't need to be rich, you need to create a functional money system, an invent you job idea. You need discipline and even the wisdom to transfer this blessing to your next generations. Wealth is not for everyone, although there is enough money in the world for everyone to be rich. The question remains the same. What do you do to become rich? Or, to accept the personal belief that money are not important for you, you can live comfortable with what have you done until now. Either way, thank you for listening to this talk. Think at your options, skills, and be realist when you think of making the 1 million dream. The majority has other life goals. Check the list in the description.